Hey guys, it's your girl here, Lps Hawaii. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Hi guys! So today I will be cooking for 112 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So I'm in my kitchen right now. You can hear my dog panting. We just came back from a walk with him. My parents are still walking outside, but the other dogs are not going to be back till like another 20 minutes. So it's a good time to cook something. Okay, I'm going to make this special recipe that was on a back of a marshmallow jumbo bag, everyone. So this is what we're going to be making today. So about the, is that graham crackers? Oh, those are pretzels. So basically, I think we have to insert the pretzel into the marshmallow. Put the marshmallow in Baker's dipping chocolate. Then coat with crushed pretzels. Well, I don't have that, but I do have some Hershey's chocolate. And we're going to put graham cracker dust on the marshmallow instead. Now, I do have some pretzels, but not a pretzel stick. So it's gonna be interesting, but anyways guys, let's just get right into the cooking video. So first, I need to take out my marshmallow. I don't know how I'm gonna elevate this. This is gonna be a problem. My dog is still hyperventilating. I seriously don't know how to do this. I'll be right back once I figure out how to do it. Okay guys, so this is the best of what I can do just about. So yeah, let's just do it. Yeah, I'm really excited. So let's take our marshmallows. Well, first we need to select our Hershey's chocolate because as you can see, these things are huge. So I'm gonna go get a bowl. I might change it to this side if I could, but I can't really, so yeah, I might change this up one more time. Hold on. Okay, I think I like that setup better because it's actually facing the kitchen. So now I'm going to get a bowl to melt my chocolate. Oh, goodness gracious, we need a good bowl. I'm really excited. Oops. That was loud. We got our bowl right here. My pet looks really weird. Okay, I really need to hurry up with this before my parents are home. So now we are gonna take our Hershey chocolate. I'm gonna do two because there's no way that one is gonna be enough. I've actually made this before when I was by myself. Well, it was different, chocolate covered marshmallow fully, but we are not going to be doing this fully. Now I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for maybe like, I don't know, 1 minute. They're gonna be going on for 20 minutes, so I mean, it's fine. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my big jumbo marshmallows. Oh my god, comment down below. Well, you can't comment because maybe you can comment because this is a cooking video. If I put this video category as cooking, maybe it will let me. It has even a category. I don't know, but we're cooking. We're gonna take our jumbo-sized marshmallow. I'm gonna get a bowl for this because oops, hopefully that doesn't fall. I have cooking spray, chemical spray. Just gonna put my marshmallow in here. It's gonna be really great, and I can't wait to see how this turns out. So now we are done with the marshmallows and the chocolate. So I'm gonna put it back in the pantry. And now the thing's going off. Now I need to, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what the chocolate looks like. So, oops, here's the chocolate. The bowl's really hot. I'm gonna mix it if I need to mix it, I feel like. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm not trying to show my face because I don't want to show my face. Okay, this is really good mixture. So I think I melted enough chocolate. So So here's our chocolate. I definitely melted enough. I need to get a paper towel, which is there in my pantry. By the way, how is your quarantine going? I would really like to know how your quarantine is going, because I've not left the neighborhood in 5 weeks. Well, unless if you count finding a secret Carolina ring belt in my neighborhood. If you count that, well, then I have left the neighborhood, but I don't know if you really want to count that. So maybe I need more chocolate. I don't know. Well, we're going to have to, well, we're not covering the whole thing. I'm just going to put this in the marshmallow bowl right here. It's covering the whole thing. We don't need to do that. And you're just supposed to, let this be melted as you eat it. So, I mean, I don't know how that's going to go. The bowl is really hot. I wish I had a toothpick, but I don't have a toothpick. So, yeah, oh god, this is really messy. Okay, so I just finished coating the marshmallow. I'm gonna lick my hands and then wash them. Okay, I just washed my hands and I have an extra napkin right here. So, I'm gonna wash them off. Okay, next, I'm gonna coat this thing with some graham crackers right here. I don't think, oh, there is a package already open. So I'm just gonna take so some already crushed up, broken up. So I'm just going to add it. I don't know how I'm gonna add it to the other side. Oh yes, this is a video I really wanted to cook for a while for a video, but I never got to. Now I need a pretzel stick. So I'm gonna go get something defined as a pretzel. So I have these Snack Factory pretzels. They'll be perfect. So I'm just gonna take one in half and then I'm just gonna eat the rest of it. I don't know how I'm gonna stab it. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I need a plate. I'll be right back unless I figure out how to stab it in. Okay, so here is the results of our little marshmallow thing. I'm going to eat some of this chocolate. Who's gonna let this chocolate go to waste? So the chocolate's smeared because we're not supposed to freeze this. It says not to eat it frozen. So we're gonna try it not frozen. I'm really excited. I'm just eating this chocolate. Now I'm just gonna put it in my sink. Put some water in here. And then put some dish soap to help the chocolate unstick when we wash it later. Okay, great. And now I'm gonna put this away as well. And also I'll put these graham crackers away back in. I'll show you guys my pantry. This is my quarantine pantry. So we have a lot of marshmallows. We have 2 mini bags of marshmallows here, 1 jumbo, and the chocolate, and the graham crackers actually go here. I don't like these things, but my parents do, so you know. And also my veggie sticks are almost gone, so I'm sad. Okay, here, oh, I forgot to put these away. You know what? My sister will eat them. Not a big deal. How do I set this back up? How I had it? I don't know. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So I set the camera up like this. Here is our lovely product. Now I'm gonna try it. I'm just really scared. So, yeah. I'm still chewing. Hold on. Okay. So I taste everything. I taste the pretzel. I also taste the chocolate and the marshmallow. I would like it if it's better frozen. But I mean, it's good. So, I just saw this on the back of the giant marshmallow packaging. I'm like, girl, I need to do this for my 112 subscriber special video. You can do these mini marshmallows, burger size marshmallows. I just have the jumbo marshmallows on the like mini size. So, and that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Comment down below. Oh, you can't comment. Anyways, like the video, because on desktop version of YouTube you can like the video, and on mobile you can't, so it's weird. So if you're on a desktop watching my videos, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you want more cooking videos. And if you can comment on this video, comment down below if you want more cooking videos. Bye guys.